Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on private browsing on Safari in iPhone iOS 17. First, go to your Safari app on your iPhone. Tap on the tabs icon shown as a book. Select the private option and you can see different options. You will be able to see locked private browsing, advanced tracking and fingerprinting protection, and enhanced extension control. Tap on Lock Private Browsing and you can unlock it with Face ID or your passcode. After that, go back and you will be able to see Privacy Resort. You will be able to see Privacy Reports. Now go to the Settings app on your mobile phone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Enable the required Face ID to unlock the private browsing option. Go back to the Safari app and tap on the last icon at the bottom. Tap on 19 tabs and tick the private option. In this way, you will turn on private browsing on your iPhone. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.